Good morning everyone and welcome to Friday's maths lesson. It's Friday the 26th of February and today we're going to be dividing by 2. We'll be using our knowledge of halving, because if we're dividing by 2 it means that we are just halving it because we're putting it into 2 equal groups. So first of all, again, watch the video on dividing by 2 by White Rose. This will give you a really good idea of what we're going to be doing. Okay, so pause the video now and watch the clip by White Rose to help you understand dividing by 2. Then let's have a go at this. Look. So complete the sentences. So we've got 12 cherries, you can see, can't you? And they've grouped them into 2 groups. There are 6 cherries in each group, because I know that half of 12 is 6. So I'm using prior knowledge. So 12 divided by 2 equals 6. And 2 times 6 equals 12. Remember, division is the inverse of multiplication. That means the opposite. Okay, so try and remember that word inverse. So let's have a look at this one. Look, 10 muffins. How many in each group? 2. How many groups? 5. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5, because we know 5 times 2 equals 10. Now then, let's have a look at these number sentences. These are arrays, so they're in rows. So can you complete them? So we know that there's 8 in the first one. So how many 2's are there? So they're looking at 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times 2 equals 8, because we know that 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Of course, there are 4 2's in 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Let's have a look for this one now then. I think I know this one because it's 16 divided by 2. And I know that half of 16 is 8. And you can see if you group 16 into groups of 2, you'd have 8. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it would be 8 times 2 equals 16. And 16 divided by 2 equals 8. Now then, there are 14 socks. Now, it's not quite as easy, is it? Because they're not in rows, but it says Amir puts them in pairs, look. So you can just group them easily in pairs. How many pairs of socks does he have? Yeah, I know there's 7, because half of 14 equals 7. So it would be 14 divided by 2 equals 7. Let's use this number line. We did that with some when we were grouping, weren't we? So go back, keep jumping 2. So then it'd go to 6, then 4, then 2, then 0. 12 divided by 2 equals, you're right, 6, because I know that half of 12 equals 6. Again, have a go at that one. 20 divided by 2. Do I know what half of 20 is? Keep jumping back, so then it'd be 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Oh, yeah. So I use that. It says, is there another way? There could be. I know that half of 20 is 2, or I could get 20 counters and put them in groups of 2. So we know that that one is 10. Now then, your task. Share these numbers by 2. Write the number sentence using the division sign. Use counters or drawings to help you solve them. So you would write 12 divided by 2 equals, you could draw 2 groups, couldn't you? 2 circles, 2 sets, 2 plates, 2 benches, 2 plant pots. Okay, so each of them numbers I want you to share by 2. I would like you to send me that work, because I would love to see it. And maybe one of you might get a certificate from Mrs. Prince at your amazing work.